Oh, it's you, Shadow. What do you want?
Oh, nothing really. I just wanted to give you this.
A Chaos Emerald?
Yeah, go ahead, take it.
That's very nice of you, Shadow. But I'd rather find a Chaos Emerald on my own.
No, really, I want you to have it.
Please, Shadow, I'd rather not.
Really, take it.
No, don't pressure me.
Take it!
I said no thanks!
SNT, wait!
Oh!
Ow.
SNT? Why were you running?
Pressure.
SNT, are you okay?
Sonic, you would never pressure me with something I don't want.
Well...
What are you doing?
Shadow!
Shadow, SNT looks scared. She said something about pressure. Did you do something to scare her?
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Oh yeah? Well then weren't you just chasing SNT?
What I was doing was none of your business, Sonic. Besides, weren't you just embracing her?
No, I wasn't. She hugged me first.
Yeah, right. You were just dying to do that. Admit it.
Shut it. You like her just as much as I do, Shadow.
That's not true.
Stop it! Stop fighting!
I guess there's only one way to settle this.
Hand-to-hand combat?
Oh yeah.
Guys?
Well, it looks like it's gonna be another hot match between Sonic the Hedgehog and Shadow the Hedgehog.
That's right. This time it's all about the love. These two hotshots are fighting for the lovely SNT.
Yes, things are heating up by the power of jealousy.
Hey!
Anyway, let the battle begin.
You guys, come quick!
What is it, Tails?
Sonic and Shadow are fighting!
That's it? I hate to break it to you, Tails, but that sort of always happens.
Yeah, but this time it seems to be more violent than usual.
Oh my, they must be fighting over something important, like a Chaos Emerald or a Power Ring. Meow. Jeez, you're so silly. Why would they be fighting over? Enough chat! I want to see if Sonic will triumph over that wannabe!
Ooh, Amy, if Shadow found out you said that...
Let's just go already!
This is probably the greatest battle this year.
Well, why are we here in the first place?
We had nothing better to do, so here we are. Hey guys, you here to see the fight too?
Yeah, but we're having a hard time keeping Charmy in his seat.
Woo! Go Sonic! Ooh, nice uppercut. Left, right, left.
Charmy, stop being so enthusiastic about this.
What? I'm just showing my team spirit.
Hey, there's someone out there next to the battle.
Huh? Who? Who is it? It looks like SNT! SNT?
Come on, is that the best you can do?
You don't really think I'm gonna let you win, right? Ha!
Well, it seems we are evenly matched.
Guess we'll have to uneven the odds.
Fine, I'll call my team.
And I'll call mine. Knuckles, Tails, I need you.
Rouge, Omega, get over here.
Here,
Yeah, what is it this time?
I'm ready for the battle.
Affirmative.
Knuckles, Tails, I need your help defeating Shadow.
Rouge, Omega, help me defeat Sonic.
What are you fighting about now?
You don't have to know that.
Whoa! Now it seems that their teams are involved in the battle.
The things people do for love.
Don't say that!
What? Love?
They must be fighting over me!
Oh, brother.
Cheese? They couldn't possibly be fighting over.
Huh? What's this? Team Sonic is grouping together.
Could it be? Yes, it's...
Team Blast!
Ooh, that's gotta hurt.
What have I done? By simply refusing a Chaos Emerald from Shadow, this happens? I feel so alone. Nobody understands me. Nobody.
Oh, Nucky.
Huh?
Oops. My bad.
Why, you little...
That's it. Everyone, time for our team blast.
Uh-oh.
Chaos control!
Ow.
Tails, flight mode!
Here I go!
Darn it.
We have failed to defeat Team Sonic.
Man, I could have sworn that would work.
Give me an S! O-N-I-C! What does that spell? Sonic! Go Sonic! Yeah! Woo! Go Sonic! Whee!
Charmy, settle down! You're throwing popcorn everywhere!
That's the point!
That's the last straw. Come here, you.
Nah, you can't catch me!
Charmy, get back here.
Shh! I'm trying to watch the battle! Chao! Oh no! Sonic!
Must destroy Sonic.
Woo! Come on, hit me with your best shot!
Omega, that's not how you fight Sonic. Haven't you learned from Eggman's past mistakes? Let me handle this.
Please, make the fighting stop! This fight could go on forever! Or at least until Sonic and Shadow get tired.
What's S&T doing here? Maybe Sonic and Shadow's fight has something to do with S&T!
Tails, look out!
Huh? Ah!
Next time, you should be paying attention.
Grr. Charge! Ah! Ow.
Tails, what were you thinking? Whoa, why are we floating?
It's Shadow!
Shadow, let us go!
Not until you admit defeat.
Sorry, Shadow, but this isn't right. You have to stop!
Ow. Hey, what gives?
Whoa! Well, that sure was lucky.
Yeah!
Amazing! At first, Team Sonic looked doomed, but somehow a stray acorn distracted Shadow.
You!
Me?
You threw that acorn!
No, I didn't.
You've humiliated me for the last time.
But I...
That's it. You're going to pay.
You wanna fight? Fine.
Can't we all just get along? No more fighting.
Uh-oh, Shadow looks mad. I guess the fight is starting up again.
Wow, they must be really desperate for me!
Yeah, right.
Oh my! Yeah!
This is getting a little out of hand.
A little? Don't you mean a lot?
Wow, what a fight!
Yeah, and to think all this time they are fighting over S&T.
What?
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 I knew it!
What? Chao. What?
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 Is this true, Sonic?
Yeah. Is it true, Shadow?
Well, you see...
Yes. It's true.
Oh, this is all her fault!
away.
No, you did.
You did.
You did.
Ugh, forget you. I'm going after SNT.
Not if I go after her first.
Come on, we've got to follow them.
SNT, come back!
Go away!
Huh?
Out of my way.
Grr.
SNT, can we talk?
Leave me alone!
SNT, please.
Go away! You don't understand! Nobody does!
SNT!
Where is she?
She.
Where is she?
She flew away.
You let her go? Well, I'm gonna look for her.
Sonic, wait! He never listens. I'm gonna look for her too. Well, anyone want to help?
We'll help.
I'll help. Chao, chao.
We'll help. Right, guys?
Sure.
Whatever.
Amy, don't you want to help? No. Ow! Okay, I'll help.
Okay. We'll split up into 2 search parties. Tails, you'll be the leader of the second search party and I'll be the leader of the first. Team Chaotix, you're with me. Amy, Cream, and Knuckles, you're with Tails.
SNT! SNT!
SNT, where are you?
SNT! Cool! An echo! Yodelay yee-hoo!
Charmy, stay focused.
SNT!
SNT, we're worried about you. Come back.
Ollie Ollie Exit Free!
SNT!
SNT! SNT? You guys, I found her!
SNT?
Go away.
SNT, can I come up?
Okay.
SNT, what's the matter?
You and Sonic were fighting.
But we always do that.
You two wouldn't listen to me. I tried to stop you from fighting, but you were obsessed with winning.
Well, we were fighting over you. You should be happy someone cares for you.
I didn't want you to fight so violently. Like that time you were making Team Sonic float. I shot that acorn at you.
You did that?
Just to try to make you stop fighting, but it only caused more violence.
Well, I'm sorry I didn't listen.
It's gonna take a while for me to forgive you.
Just remember this. No matter what horrible things I might do, I'll still love you.
Love me?
I mean, what I meant to say was, I'll always be your friend. Now come on, everyone's worried about you.
SNT!
Are you feeling better? Yeah!
Is something wrong?
Did we all scare you?
Did you notice that the forest has an echo?
Charmy!
It's okay, guys. I'm feeling better. Thanks for the comfort.
SNT! SNT! Where are you? Huh? No, it can't be true. It is! Ugh, I can't believe it. Why would SNT choose Shadow over a guy like me?
Oh, Shadow.
Oh.
Ow! Trees hurt. Ahem.
Who's there?
Hello, Shadow. I'm here to murder you.
Sonic?
Shadow, are you trying to make me mad?
What? What's that supposed to mean?
What do you mean? What's that supposed to mean? I saw you! You were holding SNT's hand!
I didn't know.
Yeah, right.
Listen, you didn't listen to me when I said I was going to start a search party.
I don't believe you.
See, you're doing it right now.
I don't care!
If you were there, you could have listened to SNT. We weren't listening to her when she said she was trying to stop us from fighting. And you could have said how sorry you were.
What?
But no, you just had to be stuck up.
She was trying to stop us?
Yes, she was. If I might add, she was the one who threw the acorn.
SNT.
Also, if you did listen to me, you could have been there to comfort her when she really needed us. She was crying, Sonic. Crying!
Crying?
I hope you learned something, Sonic. Next time SNT runs away, try to listen to other people.